The avocado and egg hair mask could actually be the secret to you managing your natural hair much better. Now, to make this incredible hair mask, all you need is 1 avocado and 2 fresh eggs. So we start off by cracking open the 2 eggs to make sure we separate the egg white from the egg yolk. Now, in this specific hair mask, all we need to use is the egg white, and that's because the egg white locks in moisture and also helps to repair damage and reverse hair loss. So we want to strengthen our hair while also fighting off dandruff. So for that, we use the egg white. So after this, we proceed to cut open our avocado, and avocado has been known to give you a very nice volume, and it also helps to moisturize your hair and keep it really shiny. Now, the key thing is making sure that the avocado you get is really healthy, because the healthier the avocado, then that means the healthier the ingredients or the nutrients you're getting into your hair. So we shall proceed to scoop this avocado into a blender. We can use a spoon. However, if you do not have a blender, you can also proceed to just mash using a fork. So after scooping the avocado, then we proceed to pour the egg white inside, and I like to add 2 spoons of honey because honey also helps to give your hair a little bit of shine. Now, after putting all these ingredients together, I am now going to proceed to blend everything together. My secret ingredient for this specific hair mask is the castor oil. Now, if you know a little bit about castor oil, it helps to give your hair a little bit of shine as well. However, it also moisturizes your hair and conditions it so that you don't experience a lot of hair damage or hair loss and breakage. So we are going to blend this together until we get a nice buttery effect, and that is a mixture that is very easy for you to apply on your hair and it's not going to leave chunks in there. So make sure you blend until you get a very nice consistency. So when you're finished blending, all you have to do is just put this into a bowl, or you can put into any container that you're going to easily use to apply on your hair. In the next videos, I am going to show you how to apply this hair mask, and I'll also take you through some of the benefits that it has for your natural hair. Till next time, bye bye.